Hey everyone, welcome to my channel, Victoria Takes On Sweets. Today I've decided to take on a vanilla cake made from scratch, but I'm actually not just making one cake. I'm going to make two because I've always wondered what the difference is between a cake made with all-purpose flour and a cake made with cake flour. So today I'm going to go ahead and put it to the test and see the difference in texture and taste. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so I have got both cakes out and they are cooled fully. This is the cake flour cake. Just so we can see the difference. So this is the all-purpose flour cake. I don't know if you can even tell the difference. To me, one's a little bit lighter than the other, but so here's the all-purpose flour cake. And here are they side by side. They both look pretty good. This one looks a little more moist to me than this one, but they both smell the same. They smell delicious. So what I'm gonna go ahead and do is go ahead and get these frosted and cut up some slices and taste them and see what the difference is. So let's go ahead and get that done. This one is the cake flour vanilla cake. And this one is the all-purpose flour vanilla cake. So now it's time for the moment of truth. It's time to taste them. I have to say just going off of looks, the vanilla cake that's made with cake flour, it looks just a lot whiter. I don't know why. It feels like looks spongy, I guess, feels kind of spongy. The one made with all-purpose flour, it looks a little darker in color and it feels more buttery, but I don't know. I'm really excited to try these. So let's try the cake flour one first. The texture is very light, like very light and airy. Like a pillow. Very nice. Okay. Now the all-purpose flour vanilla cake. Let's see. Definitely has a different texture. I can't quite pinpoint it. It's good. It's moist, for sure.
This one is just more light and airy. The cake flour one is just really light. And when it goes in your mouth, it almost melts in your mouth. This one is like a typical cake that I'm used to. One more taste of this one, the cake flour. It's like velvet. So there is a texture difference. I think it all boils down to your preference. Like if you like a cake that's really like melt in your mouth, soft, I would say the cake flour one is the way to go. If you're looking for a more like buttery type of dense maybe texture, I would say that the all-purpose flour cake. They're both very good. If I had to choose, oh, that's a hard one. I might choose the all-purpose flour one just because that's what I'm used to. But the cake flour is still very good. I used the same frosting for both. I just did a basic vanilla buttercream. So that way that didn't alter the taste at all. Well, I'm really excited and I'm happy that I got to take on this sweet. I plan on taking on a lot more sweets in the future. And so just please like and subscribe and join me next time on the next sweet that I take on. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.